Call my mama. Call my mama.
Put them chips up.
You want me to do what?
Put them chips
Nah,
up.
mama bought them. Now I'm gonna eat them.
Ooh.
What you gonna do, Miss Pettis?
Excuse me, ma'am. You need to take off those Crocs and take that hood off your head.
First of all, my mama paid for this jacket and she paid for these Crocs. So you can't tell me to take off that.
Excuse me, ma'am. You need to get off that phone.
I'm talking to my mama on the phone.
Your mama know you at school.
I still need to call and talk to her.
Excuse me, ma'am. You need to take that hood off your head.
My mama didn't finish doing my braids, so she said I gotta keep this on all day.
Oh, you ugly.
Excuse me, sir. Can you take your hood off your head? Excuse me. Can you take your hood off your head? Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you take your hood off your head?
Doing too much. Hey, you're not supposed to be eating those in the hallway.
Why?
Because that's the school rules.
I'm not finna throw my chips away.
No, you can't eat those in the hallway.
I'm not throwing my
Give me
chips away.
the chips. Give me the
not
chips.
throwing my chips
Give me the
away.
chips.